A while back, one of my followers wrote to me with these words. Hey Mark, I found an artificial intelligence bot that helped me make $13,000 in my account balance, and I thought it was some kind of nonsense, scam and fake, but the guy kept going and sent proof, screenshots with profits, and a link to the AI bot. I still didn't believe it, but for the sake of experiment, I decided to try it, run a trading session, and tell you what came out of it. And remember, there's a lot of scam around, especially about AI technologies, so don't trust any third-party bots as it's dangerous for your money. For these reasons, I will not leave a link to the bot in the description, as more time is needed to check everything out. Well, of course, since I'm an experienced trader with more than 8 years of experience, I will first analyze the suggested signal and then enter into a deal. How's that, guys? After getting familiar with the bot and experimenting a bit, I figured out how it works. It's written that this is a pre-release version, so it answered quite simply: the set currency pair, number of expiration minutes, and direction. I prepared for the session, warned my team about the start, and set the first AUD/USD signal. For this request, the chat advised me to go down for 10 minutes. For your convenience, I've made a visual markup for you on what's happening on the chart and why you need to go down. Here's the trend, here's the resistance level, here's the MACD indicator, all simple. The candles have already bounced back and started moving down, so after a full analysis, we go in for 10 minutes, as the AI advised. After a few minutes, we are taking the profit, although the signal was unstable and unconvincing. So, let's continue our experiment. Here's the second case on the CHF-JPY chart. The AI bot advises to bet down for 10 minutes, which I'm not sure about yet. Although a nice head and shoulders pattern is forming here, so maybe it's right. We place it, as he said, for 10 minutes down, but the fact that this is an uptrend is troubling me, causing doubts. And I was right. The chart hasn't finished forming the third peak, which is why it went up. Okay, chatbot. It happens to everyone. We'll forgive you this and check a few more examples. Here's a request for the AUD/JPY chart. It responds that we need to go down for 10 minutes. Down again? Seriously? I see here a strong resistance level. So let's enter the deal, doubling it by martingale. I publish my analysis to the group. And after a while, I get a profit. That was close. Lucky one. Let's see what else it gives out. For example, for the GBP/JPY chart, its response, again down for 10 minutes. Seems like some kind of joke to me already. Maybe I'm insane or this chatbot is broken. Don't you think? Well, okay. There was a sharp jump on the chart to the resistance level, after which there will be a correction. Plus, a double impulse pattern is forming, due to which the chart should reach approximately this point. By the way, if you haven't heard about all these patterns yet, you can check out my channel. There are many different useful videos with methods and strategies, so don't hesitate if you want to understand trading better. And for now, we get a great profit from a confident signal this time. Not bad. The score so far is 3.1, so let's continue. Remember, the subscriber made $13,000 on this bot, if we believe his messages. Let's see if our team can get a good profit for this session. A request was made for the Euro/JPY chart. The response is the same again. I'm shocked. It's broken. Drop message in the comment section if you think so, because I do. But the analysis again confirms it, as a wedge pattern has formed on the chart, indicating a reversal from the resistance level. We publish this signal in the group. And watch the candles fall as we need. The daily trading session with the team is coming to the end, so the last check for today. Request for the GBP CHF chart. The chatbot suggests we go up for 10 minutes. Finally, some variety. By the way, I don't see much on this chart. Too many levels, strong volatility, and changing directions. But we've already made a good profit today, so we can take a risk. We place it up for 10 minutes. And surprisingly, we get a very confident signal. The candles flew up, after which we get a profit. Well, that was interesting. Artificial intelligence helped us make $882 today. Again, we didn't make thoughtless trades, but conducted our analysis, relying on its advice. I will continue to study it and will definitely share with you on my Telegram channel if the results are positive. So subscribe and stay tuned. Be careful. Don't trust third-party programs and think with your own head. See you very, very soon. And as always, stay safe and be in touch.